Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoi District Ugiri Prasan ulayathu ubayaki Ngut ki briu ki bala Suba don kti hakabayadei baka jingsha penyam wei Rangbah hakawei ka jaka khlaw banya na paha maulen sha umdap bat shakhoi kuna kila shakemno haki Pulit kitei ki Ngut ki basuba runar penyap briu laktip kerteng kum Prince Abraham Seliang lai phosan snam kerta basa hapaha maulen ar phomer bat wei pat usushil kurba nyopo ar senam kerta basyong basa hakliar umdap duki baro Ngut kitei gibri ki belasyak kem la pengat yaki hapo ka kendon ain lai spa arpo IPC ban pen kenmau hangni wei Rangbah ubladon antat kumba nyopo senam kerta uladu yela ka jingim hakabala Suba jur baula syak penyap dusman haki riu runar bamla bentim kindei ki Utei Rangbah lanot latip kerteng kum uba Ilyas rendong basyong basa hapaha mauleng arpomer Ribhoi District. USP ulayaturu ubay kitei ki Ngut la IT no syakaying bishar bantokit benia banlap ikijing shisha ki bakham benia.
So on 9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Barnihat outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body found at 20th mile Ribhoi District. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to the late deceased Elias Rangdong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members. And after that, the police team started the investigation process. We also registered the FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Elias Rangdong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case. That is Shri Prince Abraham Seliang of 20th mile Ribhoi District, and also Shri Sushil Kurba of Umdap Duki falls under Ribhoi District. That the deceased person had some quarrel due to some personal enmity with the above two accused persons. So, along with the available technical tower dams and tower locations, and also the statements of the witnesses, the Ribhoi police yesterday, that is on 22 night, around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m., we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case. And also, we have registered the case under Nongpo PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Ribhoi that Ribhoi police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. No, so far these two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we'll file the charge sheet against the accused persons.